wanted me to bring you guys a college exam, but I said no.
Hello guys, I hope you are all doing well. This is your Forex Mind Academy. Yeah, I want to share with you guys concerning how you can actually open and verify DERIV account in Dubai, so that you can be able to trade like volatilities like volatility 75, aka V75, volatility 100, volatility 50, boom and crash, and so on. On my YouTube page or my YouTube channel, this guy asked me, can I trade DERIV in Dubai? And I said yes, using my services, since Dubai is on the list of restricted countries on DERIV. As we know that DERIV has restricted some countries not to open trading account with them, but I started this service, I believe 3 years ago, if not 2 and 8 months or something like that. Just 3 years ago, I started this service so that I can actually assist and help people who are in restricted countries where DERIV does not allow them to open a trading account with them. Countries like Dubai, like Cuba, countries like USA, Canada, Netherlands, Hong Kong, and so on. But this one specifically, I'll just talk about Dubai. So it is possible to trade using DERIV broker. Of course, you're gonna need me there, because in order for you to trade on DERIV, you're gonna need a verified account. What I do, I'll assist you on verifying your account. As you can see, already I have few verified account. If one need an account, you just hit me and I hook your account, and you're gonna need to use VPN to redirect your location. But my service is best. You can check. I have few views from people on my YouTube. On my YouTube channel, you can check the reviews. But for more details, just check this video. You will find my login detail. I mean my contact detail, and Telegram, and also Facebook and Instagram. Just found them below. That is how you can actually contact me to assist you. Once your account is verified, fully verified, like proof of address verified and identity verified, DERIV won't bother you. They won't bother you as long as your account is verified. You're gonna be using crypto for funding, like funding and withdrawing. So this is it, guys. Yes, it's possible to trade on DERIV if you are in Dubai or any other restricted countries using my services. You know what to do. Just go below on the description. You'll find my contact details. Don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel, guys, and also share with your friends and families who want to trade on DERIV. Thank you and stay blessed.